or Culture Road in Obiakpo. Now, if you can see from what we've been saying here, on the second page also, we can see that nothing is being done towards the economy and the education in Rivers State, apart from infrastructure and amenities. So this is the second page. Nothing else was done except infrastructure. Now, we'll scroll quickly down to the third page also. Infrastructure and amenities continues. The flagging off of 33.5 road, flagging off of 33.5 kilometer road, dualization. We saw completion and commissioning of the 21.6 Omoko Eboma Road, very good, completed. We saw commissioning of Andoni Opobo section of the Ogoni Andoni Opobo Road, very good, commissioned. We saw commissioning of Ebeda Roads, commissioning of 14.1 Umo Akalieberi Road in Omuma local government, very good. We saw commissioning of 14 kilometers of internal roads in Bori, Kana local government, very good. So once again, we can see that nothing else is done towards economy and education. We are taking note of that. Now go to the next page, and it continues on the infrastructure and amenities side. Commissioning of Kalabiam section of the Kalabiam Ebelama Road. We saw falling off of the 19.7 Buguma Abalama Tema Degema Abanama Road. We saw construction of 20,000 housing units in Ikure local government. That is very, very good. We saw reconstruction, upgrading, and equipping of 2 secondary healthcare hospitals. Very good. We saw presentation of 100 vehicles to Rivers Police Nigeria to boost security. Very good. We saw reconstruction work of Rivers State, 3 major fire service stations at my 1 and 2 other places like that. So this is very good. Also, we can see here that nothing much is done towards the economy and education. So if you then take all this and you tabulate, if you take all that has been recorded in the Mr. Fubara government and you tabulate it, now this is what you get. Now this is the scorecard. We'll scroll down to the scorecard, okay? Now we are seeing something that says in economy, the project that has been done towards economy is 2, and the utility done towards economy is 1. So in general, only 3 things have been done towards economy in about 20 months of governance of the Mr. Fubara government. So just 3 things have been put in place for the economy of the state. I don't know why the government does not prioritize the economy. The economy is the most important actually. Okay, so the education, we see 2 things. We saw distribution of resource materials to some secondary schools, and we saw also the setting up of the UBE board, the new Rivers State UBE board. So 2 things have been done towards education. This is particularly shocking because currently Rivers State is part of the educationally less developed state, so you would think that more should be done towards education to help the state to pick up or catch up with the rest of the state that are doing well in education. But lo and behold, nothing has been done towards education. It's like Rivers State does not value education. I don't know. In the current world of today, education is of utmost priority. So only 2 things have been done towards education in the Rivers State under the Mr. Fubara government. I don't know why that is the case. Now you go also to the infrastructure and amenities side. So what you're seeing here is an oversized attention being given to infrastructure and amenities to the detriment of economy and education. 24 on just one side, and the rest is just about 5 in